Okay, we will take one topic from our textbook, unit 1, part B. Let's play. What is the meaning of let's play?
లెట్స్ ప్లే
అంటే
మనం ఇప్పుడు ఆడొచ్చా?
ఇప్పుడు ఆడుకుందాం. లెట్స్ ఈట్,
ఇప్పుడు తినొచ్చా?
ఇప్పుడే తినేద్దాం.
ఇప్పుడు తినేద్దాం.
లెట్స్ గో.
ఇప్పుడు వెళ్దాం.
Okay, we will see some pictures. Please observe this picture. Okay, what do you observe in the picture? See, what is this?
స్కూల్.
Who is he?
సార్.
Who is she?
టీచర్.
Okay, what they are doing?
ప్లే.
They are
దే ఆర్ ప్లేయింగ్.
yes. What they are doing here?
గిఫ్ట్.
Gifts.
గిఫ్ట్స్.
They are
దే ఆర్ గిఫ్ట్స్.
they are
గిఫ్ట్.
taking gifts.
టేకింగ్ గిఫ్ట్.
Yes, yes, very good. Totally, what is this? School or house?
స్కూల్.
Good, very good. Yes, look this picture. Special day. Here's special day. What the special day?
దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ స్పెషల్ డే.
Sports day. Very good. Sports day. Very good. Now I will ask some questions from your textbook. Okay, already we completed first question. Okay, second, what are the children doing in the picture? What are the children doing in the picture? Look at your textbook. The children.
ద చిల్డ్రన్ పిక్చర్.
So what are they doing?
ద చిల్డ్రన్ ప్లే.
Yes, the children are playing. Very good. Third question, what day is it? What day is it?
స్పెషల్ డే.
Sports day. Sports day. Very good. Which games do you play, Kavya? Which games do you play every day? Every day, which games do you play every day? Tokkudu bella. Next.
ఫుట్బాల్.
Football. Next. Next. Shuttles. Okay, good. Okay. We will see next question. Which games do you like the most? Do you like the most favorite game? Favorite game?
ఫుట్బాల్.
Football. Next.
తక్కువ.
Tokkudu bella. Ante. Okay. Very good. Very good.